Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extract audio on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So first let's import our clip right here into our timeline. So as you can see, this is a music video, so obviously it has audio in it because it's a song. So what we can do for us to extract the audio from this video right here is that we can right click on the clip or the video, and then from here we can click on extract audio, and you would automatically have the audio from that video file right here. It will be separated. So from here you can edit the audio whatever you want. You can adjust the fade in, fade out, loudness, noise reduction, or volume, and so on. And yeah, if you want to save this audio as a separate file like MP3 file, then you can click here on export button at the top right, export, and then from here check the export audio box right here and select your format that you want right here, MP3, and then click on export after you have saved your location file right here, and click export. And once you're done, you can now use that file separately, and then yeah, there you have it. And that is basically how easy it is. Thank you for watching.